Hello there. This is the story of Charles and his horrible zeta amoeba affliction. The pertinent information is that it splits in half every 12 minutes, and we start with 5 such amoebas. Now this splitting in half part, this is an important idea. And there's a sketch over here that you go from one cell, and that splits in half, and you wind up with 2 cells. So I'm just going to sketch a picture of the first 5 here. We'll do that up top. So way up there, there's the first 5, and 12 minutes, those all split in half. So I went from having 5 in the beginning to now having 10. And 12 minutes later, those are going to split in half. For a total at that point of 20. So let's write a next now rule, and we're going to do this for 12-minute intervals. That's going to be implied. What I have in the next stage is whatever I had in the previous stage doubled. Splitting in half, I'm doubling the number of cells. 5 to 10, 10 to 20. So next is now times 2. All next now rules need a starting at. We start with 5. Now we need the y equals from this. 5 goes out in front, that's the starting at, times the growth factor 2 to the x. Notice, there are no x's in this part of the now next rule, and our x is up top there as an exponent. Now the question, how many is Charles going to have in 3 hours? If I make a table, 5, 10, 20, 40, and just say 40, I'm ignoring the fact that this is every 12 minutes. This isn't 3 hours, this is 3 12-minute periods. Erased it there, so I'm going to have to go quite a bit further. How far do I have to go? How many 12-minute periods are in 1 hour? So I do my division here, 60 over 12 is 5. There are 5 12-minute periods in 1 hour. This is information that's going to help me. Okay, just a reminder, this stuff over here, this 340, that's wrong. We're going to cross that out there. And we want 3 hours, so 1 hour is 5 12-minute periods, so I'm going to have to multiply. So there are 15 doubling periods, 15 12-minute intervals in those 3 hours, and this I'm going to plug back up here into this equation. Type that in my calculator, and I'll get how many Charles has in 3 hours. Quite a few, evidently. Poor Charles. Okay, how long before he's going to have over 1 million zeta amoebas? I need to check a table. So we have to go all the way down here, so it happens between stage 17 and 18. And I could zoom in if I needed to, get to about 17.6. For this one, I'm just going to use this whole number. The key thing here is that this 18, this is not 18 hours. This is 18 12-minute periods. So let's convert that. Multiplying, that's going to be 216 minutes. And let's get that into hours. 3 hours and 36 minutes. Now that's using the 18. If I wanted to zoom in and get closer, it would be a little bit different. Get closer to 17.61, multiply that by 12. This is the number of minutes. And then subtract 180 to get the 3 hours out. And then I'm left over with 31 minutes, and that 0.32, if I really want to, I could convert to seconds, but I probably don't need to list that part. Thanks for watching. Character and Scholarship for Life.